in K group. It's a neat code hard question, and the intuition is a bit tricky. Not cool. Like if you can get just the last part, then it is very much simple. So now to get this is the question, and we have to reverse in groups. Like 1 to 3 becomes 3 to 1, 4 5 6 becomes 6 5 4, and it has to connect also, right? So basically now to reverse this node, right, we need two pointers, right? Because we cannot reverse the whole node by group. We have to get like maybe the guy next to this and guy previous to this, and then we will convert. So for sure we need one dummy node, const dummy equal to new list node with a 0 and head. Okay, and we also need a group previous, right? That is initially pointing to dummy. So we got one node before 0, and then we need one node after 3. So for that we have to get the node after 3, right? So that is after the k. So for that, let's write a function get kth node. That will take a cur pointer and k, and it will say while cur is there and k is greater than 0, we can simply do cur equal to cur dot next and minus minus k. Once done, let's return cur. Okay, then we have to do till the end, right? So the kth element initially will be get kth, and we have to pass the current node. Current node is group previous and k. Okay, also if this kth node is not there, that means that is the last group which does not have the enough elements. So that in that case we'll break it, right? And our code will be done, and we can return dummy dot next. Now we need the k plus 1th element, right? Because we will sort between 0 to k plus 1th element, not sort, reverse, right? So we'll say const, let's name it group next, and that will be kth dot next. Okay, now we have to also reverse, right? So we need to reverse, so we'll say okay, for that we need two pointers, right? So we can say const, not const, sorry, let previous equal to, ideally how we reverse, let previous equal to null, let cur equal to group previous. Okay, dot next, and then while, okay, so while what we do, while cur, right, not equal to group next. Okay, so basically if cur become group next, that means we are done. There is no need to reverse it anymore. And basic reversal logic, const temp equal to cur dot next, then reverse the pointer, right? And then previous equal to current, and current equal to temp. So this will reverse the pointer. Okay, now there is one point to catch here is, okay, let's come down. So suppose initially we have 1 2 3 4, right? And we needed 3 groups. So once we reverse it, it will become 3 2 1, right? And this will be null, and our previous will be standing here, right? But ideally it should go and mark this, right? So what we can do here is we can start, okay, previous from this guy only. So previous will be kth dot next. How this will help is, so basically now we have 1 2 3 and there is 4, right? Previous is here, so initially it will go and do this 4 1 2 3. So this guy is done, and then what we have to do is, okay, one more thing. So now we have 3 2 1 4 5 6 7, whatever. Okay, our head, or our head was here initially, right? Head, or you can say dummy dot next, right? We have to update this guy. So to update this guy we can say head dot dummy, right? So this will come here. We have to update this to this guy. And what is this guy? This is the kth guy. So we can say, okay, group previous dot next, that is head, equal to kth. In this way we lost the group previous next, right? So let's save it inside a temp variable. Okay, we'll see. Okay, why we have saved it, I'll tell you. Okay, so this was only group previous dot next, right? This was our group previous dot next. Now what I told, now to reverse this set of array, right, we need a previous, group previous, right? And we will get this from the get kth function. So we have it, right? We have it in the group previous next. So what we can do is, for the next iteration, simply group previous will become 10. Okay, so now once this is done, 3 2 1 4 5 6, we have updated this to new group previous, right? This is the head updated. Now let's run the code. Okay, get kth is not defined. The reason being is we have to call it with this. Okay, what happened here? Constant variable group previous, make it let. Okay, submit.